Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember.
Hallo, goedemorgen.
Guys, we're gonna go riding this beautiful boat to the Vancouver, and then I'm gonna drive the boat, but not now because the waves are very big. They don't really trust me because I'm 13 years old, but I'm a really good boat driver.